We are the students of class 8C and we are comparing the electricity bill of a house with and without solar panels. We have found a major difference in the final amount and here's how it works.
Let's start with the house that doesn't have solar panels. Here, the electricity bill is calculated by multiplying the total units by cost per unit and then adding GST to it. In Uttarakhand, the cost per unit is around 7 rupees and GST is 15%. So, the formula becomes total units multiplied by 7 rupees multiplied by 1.15.
Now let's talk about the solar powered house. This house uses a system called net metering where the solar panels are connected to the main electricity grid. During the day, when the panels produce more electricity than the house needs, the extra electricity is sent back to the grid. This is called grid out. At night or on a cloudy day, when the panels do not produce enough, electricity is taken from the grid. This is called grid in.
So, the actual bill is based on the net units used, which means grid in minus grid out. The bill is calculated by the formula grid in minus grid out multiplied by 7 into 1.0318. Here, the GST is only 3.18%, which is much lower than that of solar panels.
In other states, unit cost might be slightly different, but the savings from solar panel is still significant.
So, let's have a look on actual comparison through a bar graph.
In this, we have shown that a household with solar panel can save up to 50 to 90% on their electricity bill depending on the size of the system and the pattern of consumption. For example, a 5 kilowatt solar panel can save up to 5,000 to 10,000 per month on their electricity bill, assuming an average monthly consumption of 500 to 1,000 kilowatt.
We have made a bar graph to show the major difference between the house's bills with solar panels and without solar panels. The energy charges without solar panels is 1,768 and with solar panels is 0.00. Demand charges without solar panels is 330 and with solar panels is 393.80. And electricity charges without solar panels is 93.98 and with solar panels is 19.69.